Well, bet you can't guess where I am. Getting my dead dinosaur fix. Oh. Oh, there we go, baby. Alright, so today's little topic is a little bit different, slightly embarrassing, but I'll be honest about it. I'm in a wedding party, and the wedding's tomorrow, and I've been told I look between homeless and bushranger with my beard at the moment. It's a bit out of control, and I've been told to go and get a beard trim. So never in my entire life have I ever had a beard trim before, so this is going to be a new experience. So where was I? I'm going to get a beard trim, that's right. I'm going to a place called Gentleman Jones. It's a barber that does the cutthroat razors and all that shit, so I thought if I'm going to let a dude touch my face, he better have a fucking knife in his hand. They got a pretty cool Facebook page. I'll screenshot it and bang it up so you can have a look. Nice Japanese riding boots. There's a smiley face. Yeah, so when I get there, I'll take a photo before and after, so I can get an opinion. I reckon it looks better, the scruffier the better. You don't have a beard to look pretty. Well, I don't anyway. I know those fucking hipster scumbags do, but that's definitely not me. So I want to do a little poll too, like a bit of a survey for how many people that ride, so not just Harleys, ride motorcycles in general, have beards. I reckon it's going to be a fucking very high percentage, but what the fuck? Fuck was he waiting for? So I don't know how to do a poll properly because I'm about as handy on computers as that light pole. So we'll just use the comment section, so just write yes or no, and then I'll count them up at the end. But I reckon there's going to be a hell of a lot of yeses in there. I might see if I can, I know you can do them on Instagram, so I have to check that out. My Instagram thing I'll put on the screen here. I'm pretty sure it's SkidPig MOTO, but I'll put it on the screen so you can check it out. Yeah, so today's Friday. Weather is pretty shit, but not too bad. At least it's not raining. Probably will later. Yeah, so if anyone knows how to do one of those polls, the yes or no. Whoops, did I just pull the microphone out? Hope not. Yeah, if you know how to do one of those polls on Instagram, or if you can do them on YouTube, let me know, or send me an email, skidpigmoto@gmail.com. Fuck, I missed the green light, dickhead. And yeah, let me know so we can do one. Manu. Time to get some of that hot, lovely Australian breeze on this engine to cool it down. Go down, baby. And that high volume oil pump would be working its fucking ass off at the moment, trying to keep this thing cold. Might need a set of love jugs. I reckon they look like shit, but Not everything that's practical looks good. Take me, for example. Look at that throttle body. So pretty. So he's like me little floorboards or what? Fuck hell, 295. So apparently this barber joint is along here somewhere. Oh, that sucks. I'll teach you fine in a Magna wagon, but nothing says poor life choices like that. Alright, should be around here somewhere. No? Where the fuck? I thought it was there. Gonna have to Google this shit. Right, gotta do a Yui. Cool. Didn't even get a good look at that. Oh, she's got a brake light on her fucking helmet. That was mad. That's not good. We need to cool this thing down. Does not like that. Well, there you go. This thing does not like sitting in traffic. It got hot as. Flashing hot. People need to do the fucking speed limit and get out of my breeze. In this situation, are you better off turning the bike off or letting it idle? Seriously, I don't fucking know. 'Cause that shit's bad. What the fuck? Arrived. Man, what the fuck is going on here? I've no fucking idea where I am. Where the fuck? The fucking maps took me on a bullshit. Fucking thing. Fucking technology's supposed to make your life easier. Send you on a fucking wild goose chase. I can't sit at traffic lights. Doesn't work for me. I can't fucking see it. Oh, there it is. I'm not gonna say a word. There you go. That's it. Well, that was different. That was the first time I've ever let another dude touch my face. I got a beard trim. Man, it was pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie. So I got some hot towels and shit put on my face, and give me a trim with some clippers and shit, and got the old cutthroat razor out and trimmed up you know, all your neck and sides of your cheeks and all that shit. So feeling brand new. And the best part was there was a bar there, because I had to wait about half an hour, so I got 3 quick beers in and I took a photo of the bar. It looks pretty fucking cool. I've never been to a hairdresser's or barber or anything like that where you can have a beer while you wait. That is a great idea. But anyway, there you go. I'll put up my after photo. You can see how pretty I am now. But yeah, do that survey thing and that'll be cool. Give us something to look at. These speed bumps. Not in the middle. Alright guys. Oh fuck. Like, subscribe, bell, you know, all the ones you gotta press. Thanks, eh? Have a good weekend. Oh, fuck that up. Alright guys, I'll leave you to it. Have a good weekend. I'll catch you later, eh? See ya.